Beautiful house, ah. Do you like your house now?
Okay po, Sir Rafi. Or dito po, Sir Rafi.
Thank you po.
Alfonso,
Okay.
Thank you po. Salamat po, attorney.
Thank you po.
Welcome tayo po.
Thank you po, Sir Rafi. Thank you.
Ngayon, come here para makita ni Mami Daddy. Your face. Yan, ayan siya na po.
Ayan, nagbigay na po ng commitment ang ating OWA sa araw na ito.
Ang bahay niya. Are you happy with your house? What's that? Ah, doorbell. Asus, may doorbell pa mga anak. Ayan, o.
By next week, at the most,
Okay. You have a window. And a bed. You see? Upuan, then your kusina. You have everything, ah. Okay.
sige po.
Oh, that's enough na, ah. Sus. May extension pa yung kusina. Gusto pa niya, where do you want to put pa? Oh, tinan, may extension pa daw yung kusina niya. That's enough na. That's too much na. Okay na yan.